We are in the motorsport industry, and time is the essence. We work at some major tracks across the world, and we have got to make sure that all the tools and solutions that we use don't let us down. Milwaukee tools are an essential tool of our workshop, right through from nut guns, right through to drills, Dremels, grease guns. We find they last longer, they're more productive, we can get more done. It's just not about the power tool side. Milwaukee's a bigger brand than that, and they've got a lot of hand tools and toolboxes and PPE stuff that we need, and they bring the package together for us. I'm proud to say we rely on Milwaukee to get the job done every time.